Mythical creatures in Philippine folklore and mythology part 4. Number 14, Sigbin. Sigbin is a crossbreed between goat, dog, and kangaroo, said to suck blood out of its victims from shadows. It has an ability to become invisible to other creatures, especially humans. Number 15, San Telmo. San Telmo is a fireball seen by dozens of Filipinos, especially those living in the Sierra Madre Mountains. It was scientifically explained as electric fields which have diverged from the lines. Number 16, Tikbalang. Tikbalang or Tikbalang is a half-man and half-horse creature. It has a horse's head, the body of a human, but with the feet of the horse. They are also believed to cause travelers to lose their way, particularly in mountainous or forest areas. Number 17, Manananggal. Manananggal is a type of aswang that can fly after separating itself from the lower half of its body. It eats babies and fetus from the mother's womb using its long tongue. This creature's name was derived from the Filipino word tanggal, which means to separate.